Welcome back to Math's Easy, step by step. In this part 77 video, I'd like to give you some suggestions to conduct an internet search for worksheets with answers on the following topics. So if the topic we've gone over is new to you, then you'd have an opportunity to practice. If this is a review, then you'd have an opportunity to practice with answers. So you know you're doing the problems right or wrong. If you're getting the wrong answers, look through your steps, find your mistake, learn from it. Mistakes are the golden road to knowledge. Hey, if you're getting the answers right, just keep on keeping on doing it. You're doing it right. If you can spot a mistake before you realize it was a mistake, then you're really getting close to mastering this skill. So keep on keeping on. You can absolutely do this. Don't quit. Don't give up. Let's look at some worksheets with answers suggestions. All right, you want to conduct an internet search for worksheets with answers on the following topics: solving 1 and 2 step equations, solving 1 and 2 step equations with fractions. All right, so using a products table to find common denominators, to add and subtract fractions, and practice multiplying and dividing fractions. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. And don't quit. Don't give up. You can absolutely do this. Thank you for your time.